Hey Margie, how's it going? I just wanted to show you quickly how to share a video through Tonedo. So first thing you would like to do is go ahead and open the Tonedo application, and this will bring you to this login screen through your default web browser, which could be for Firefox or Safari. Um, from here, basically you enter your username or you just enter your password to log you into your account, which I'm going to go ahead and do. And this brought me directly to the web share window, but alternatively, it could take you to this window, or it could take you to this window, which in either case, you'll see the web share is right here. And if you were in, if you're in the other one, um, you say share files will also take you to web share. So here you see I have two files in here. Basically what you do is to add more files, you just kind of find the location of it, wherever that may be on your computer. And alternatively, I think you can just put in directly, you can put in the file name and or the address, and that will go and find the file. But if you want to browse through for all the videos that you share on iTunes, you would want to go to My Documents. You would go to Music, iTunes, iTunes Music, and then in here you would go down to Movies, and that's basically where any um, any of the videos that you see here is if it's in your Movies um, this file directory. This is where it'll be located in your file location. So once you select which ones you want, I'm just going to select another one just for the sake of a demonstration, and we'll just call this Vishnu prayer. Okay, and you just go ahead and you can just add that. And the new share created successfully. Do you want to share access permissions now? So you say yes, and this is how you sort out who can and cannot use this file. So here in this case, we're just going to go ahead and add a new one. Um, but at the same time, I'll show you also how to manage these users. So in this case, just for the sake of argument, you can have Yogi3, okay? And it's important that you remember the case here and what exactly is it, lowercase or uppercase. But in this case, we'll have everything lowercase, and we'll have one numerical number. And then on top of that, the password is a password you create and you share with me. So now, for the sake of argument, we're just going to have peace123 as our password for Yogi3, and then we go ahead and add that user. From here, we put them to the allowed users list. Notice that I don't have allow everyone. I'm specifically only allowing Yogi3 to only use this. So now, from here, we know that Yogi3, with his password of peace123, has access to this file. So now, if you wanted to view the file, you're going to have to put Yogi3, and then you put your password peace123, and then if you hit OK, it'll start opening the file. But since we want to share it, in this case, I'm going to go share this with you. So I put my user. I already had sent you one from a previous video that I had made, but this is just another demonstration on how to do this. And then I put your password there, or sorry, your email address there. You've already selected this user, and then you just say in the email message, you say, "Hi Margie, your username and password is," or your username is Yogi3, and your password is, we say peace123. All right, and then you just go ahead and send the email, and you'll have access to that. I've already sent you one earlier. I'll send this one again just as another. I'll tell you to ignore that first email. So so here, now you have all of these three files shared, and basically you're going to have to just do that for every single one. In a sense of, you go user access, you check to see which user is allowed, and which users are not. I mean, you can have multiple users. I just have to have the username and password of one of them that has access permissions to this, and I'll be able to download the file. And to change user access, you just go here, and basically, if you want to create or if you want to create or delete more users, you can manage it here. But for each specific file, you have your user access state clearly shown right here. And that's basically it. Then, like I said, you just go to the email. You go to this URL. You put your name, all this information. You select who has permission, and then you just go ahead and send an email like that. And yeah, let me know if you have any further questions with this. And I think that about covers everything that we need to do at this point. All right, take care, and thanks again for all the help. Bye-bye.